Hey guys, I'm back from the old farmhouse. Um, these are my finds. Don't know what that is. Don't know what those are. They're kind of like almost like buttons, but they don't say anything on them. This is from a pair of jeans, Levi's, little snap or rivet, and that's from like a shirt. It says metal something on it. Old wood spike, I guess. Looks like a faucet little thing, cap, old shotgun shell, really chewed up. Bullet casing, another bullet casing, clad quarter, and my first wheat penny that I got. It's a 1944. It's not in bad shape. I cleaned it up a little bit. A little bit of olive oil, and all these targets are from my other digs so far, stuff that I've gotten, beaches, parks, things like that. And not one wheat penny except for that one. No silver coins yet, except for maybe a couple questionable nickels. That's about it, and thanks for watching, and happy hunting.